Good morning, another day, another tile. So I just start by telling you what I use and how much it costs to lay those tiles, because that should have been the first thing to tell. But now I found the solution, I will explain to you. Let's go, do some work. Back to my little world. First of all, that fixed job that I did, those two tiles, they're absolutely great. They stuck very well, and I fixed a couple here as well. You can see the yellow is the glue, and it's very good. And then the new one installed here, I'm so happy, so good, nothing stick out or coming off. Beautiful. So that's the way we're going to do it. Now what I need to do is to show you what I'm using, what I bought, because I haven't really done that very well so far, so let's do that. Okay, now I went to City Hardware yesterday and I asked for the best acrylic glue for vinyl tiles. Now there's two that have been proposed to me. It's this one here, APO Power Bond. It's 175 pesos for 1.25 kilo. Okay. So I bought it just to try. I will probably try it, but I think honestly this is the most common and easier to find, and vinyl tiles glue. Okay, so it's a glue, nothing else. And this one will dry probably. And this one, after a couple of minutes, you have to put the tiles. Yeah. This one here, you can wait up to 15 minutes before become past tacky state. Yeah. Okay. Now, how do you spread that? You gotta be spread evenly as much as you can. So how about this? It's a set of three putty knife, they call it, and this is to dig into the pot. Because when I did those tiles the other day, I was using this one which I bought the other day, so, and it's a bit too wide. Get this one first to put everywhere, and then what I like, I got this one here which is wider to spread all evenly as much as you can. Because if you use a smaller one, you're going to have those trail, you know, and that's not very good. They're going to have to play around with it, so I prefer this one. And by the time you put two goes, it does the width of the tile. So if you got something much wider, probably better, but I couldn't find anything else. So this is very cheap. Look, I don't have the price here, but I think it was something ridiculous, like 50 peso maybe, for three like this together. Of course, you need to have your wall nice and clean. And if you painted it, then make sure the paint is dry. I think that's about the main thing that you need to be careful. And if you do that, those tiles should not come off. Those one here, I'm very confident they're pretty tight. Much more confident than the one I did before. I'll see if I can find a few more faulty. I'm sure I will in the next few days. I'm not going to touch them. I'm going to just continue tiling with this glue. Yeah. By the time I finish, probably a couple of days or more, I need also to cut the grass. It's terrible there. and I may try to connect the tank to the pump in between. So that gives plenty time for this to see if something bad's gonna come up or not, or good. So that's the way I approach it, and that's the way we should approach. And I think that if you do that in your home, maybe just do, say, 4 tiles and leave it there for a few days, maybe a couple of weeks even. I probably will do that. And then you will know if it's working. But if you use that and your wall is clean and painted, relatively flat, it doesn't matter if it's not exactly 100% flat, because this is going to fill the gaps. This is going to fill the holes, rather said. When you leave a small cavity, this is good. So that's what I've been doing here. When I went for the first go, I could see the glue not going to some of the cavity, which I didn't see by eye before, but that will reveal the cavity. So then I will press more, and then until the cavity is filled. That's very good. That's a good thing about it. So if you got any question or any comment, please do so. Comments are very important. Don't think I don't like comments. That's not true. I love them, and just make them not nasty, like your whole thing is gonna come off after a few days. Give a reason why. You know, maybe I do something wrong, I don't know, but give a reason why. Don't give a constructive answer, constructive advice, and I will love it. And also, I got a lot of people telling me they follow my YouTube channel because they want to know how I do it, and they learn a lot from me, which I am learning from some of you and a lot of YouTube video that I'm watching. So please don't tell me, go watch YouTube video. I've been watching so many, it's not funny. So yeah, you know, make a comment, tell me what you think. But for what I've seen so far, that's the way. So let's continue. Okay, now Jem has lent me her tripod, so now I can do some close filming, because before I just couldn't, have nothing to put my phone on, just this, just on the floor, because I can't have many table and stuff around. So thank you, my love. That's very good. I can't get any closer because I'm charging my phone. I forgot to charge my phone last night, but I will get some close view later on. So last night I already cut this to size to go into here. This is just to see how far down this tile is gonna go. So you see I got a line, but after that I want to put all the tiles here using the level, yeah. And then I do this after, because this needs to be cut to a certain size, and all along here. So maybe I got a nice surface here, so it looks pretty nice. So I'm going to put the full tiles all along, as straight as possible, and then after I will do this. But I can put this one here in now, because I can line up myself with those tiles here. I think I'm happy with that. Maybe I could lift a little bit more. Okay, so this is alright. This is good. This may be a little bit too high, so I'm going to cut this a little bit there. Just on an angle slightly. It's not much really. Yeah, 1 mil. 1 mil. Let's do that. Okay, I found also that when you use those one and you want to put it somewhere, you don't want to throw them on the floor or on a bench or anything, so I just put 2 nails here. Just put it there. That's it. I so recommend that you protect your floor, because those things sometimes fall. And I don't mind, because this floor is not finished yet, so it's okay. I can clean it. I need to give another 2 coats of paint. The only thing with this is that I don't like the bug system. It's terrible. Should I mark with a pencil how far? Okay. 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 Now, we know by the way the pattern's going is this way for sure. The good thing about it, if you don't get it right the first time, it's okay, because with the glue you can move it, and that's the beauty about it. Alright, so not bad. I'm going to use a wet rag to remove the excess and to push in. Now, this excess here needs to come off. For next time. Alright. Here they will have some edge or something. I'm not even sure I will put tiles in here. I'm not even sure. I may just painting. Okay. Then you can always come back to the one before, just in case it lifts a bit. What I've done also, I've ordered some sealant that you can paint all your tiles over, and that will make all those tiles easy to clean and become as one, because that sealant become very hard. I don't know if it's a good thing, so I will put a picture of that now, I order it because it can be used for many things around the sink and things like that. So here's the picture. Let me know what you think. Okay, that's it for now. So I'm gonna go away and do the rest, and we'll see how we go. But all the other towels I've done like behind my head, the two top one there, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, that's the way. Then you can say, oh, after a few days, after a few weeks, all the ties come off. I think if I would have left the way where I was doing, that may have happened. But with this glue behind it, I doubt. Anyway, all right. I'll see you soon. The girl having an ice cream. And Bella loves that. She can't wait. Mommy, that's my ice cream. Ice cream everywhere, probably. But she enjoyed. Yeah, beautiful fish, vegetable, and little salad with pickles. Fruits, beautiful.
Let's eat. Hungry. Eat.
Yeah, let's eat. Okay, I'm happy now. More confident. Let's eat. Okay, after about 2.5 hours. Yeah, it's pretty slow, but it's the best way. Okay, as you remember, I had a bag inside there. This one, no bag. It's so much better. So we just hop a little bit, enough to get this in. That's it. And after we close again. Oh yes, and less waste. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, this is what Jam was doing before in the office. Very nice. We can sell this. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.